Hello guys, Happy New Year everyone. Since January 1, the rain didn't stop. It's just the start of our rainy season here. So yes, I can offer you the rain. You come and get the rain. I'm just staying home for now. I really show you much of how we celebrated our New Year's Eve because I said I'm gonna rest my eyes for a few minutes, and then yes, I missed the fireworks display on TV. Sydney fireworks should have been really nice to watch. So yeah, I woke up like it's finished the fireworks, but anyway, my niece, she was awake the whole time, so I don't know if she have seen the fireworks on TV. Every year I have fruits. I have 13 fruits, prosperity bowl, and what else? Sticky rice, normal fortune cookies, mung beans. Yes, guys. So it's a bit. We can't turn back time now. We have to look forward to our lives in 2026.
What?
You wanted me to?
Don't worry.
I promised myself that this year I'm going to be posting more and more videos. But guys, after my vlogmas, no, the plan didn't work out because I'm into K-drama and my sister Cindy recommended Dynamite Kiss. I finished that, and what's happening with my editing? It turns to watching my K-drama. But anyway, it happens every year. So after vlogmas, K-drama. That's okay. I'm enjoying myself anyway. I said I don't have any problem with my memory because I now have the 1 terabyte phone. But then it keeps raining and I just don't want to go anywhere, guys. It's so wet. I have a bit of ear infection in my right ear, so I went to the doctor and I'm still under medication. Like every 6 hours I have to take my meds. So yeah, it's hard to get up at night for that 6 hours, but anyway, I'm getting there. I'm getting better. I have this habit of putting in cotton buds on my ears. This is not the first time that I have ear infection, guys. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my new viewers. Thank you so much for viewing. Even for 10 seconds, I'm happy with it. Even 10 views, I'm really happy with my views, guys. That means, imagine that if I have like say 55 views, so just like we can't even accommodate, this house can't even accommodate what 55. We normally have like say 16 guests. Yeah, enough. So imagine 55, like real people watching my vlogs. Really happy and inspired. I can't complain with the way my channel is going because it's the organic viewers that I'm after. Yes, thank you so much, guys, for watching all my videos for the year 2025, and I'll show you the summary. This summary of my YouTube performance for the year 2025. It's awesome. It's an improvement, I guess. It's an improvement from the previous year. I'm happy with it, guys. You can see I remove all the garlands and the Christmas tree is all been put away now. Thanks, guys. See you next time.